Key Fed inflation measure rose 0.4% in January as expected, up 2.8% from a year ago. Inflation rose in line with expectations in January, according to an important gauge the Federal Reserve uses as it deliberates cutting interest rates. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, excluding food and energy costs, increased 0.4% for the month and 2.8% from a year ago. As expected, according to the Dow Jones Consensus Estimate, the moves came amid an unexpected jump in personal income, which rose 1%, well above the forecast for 0.3%. Spending decreased 0.1% versus the estimate for a 0.2% gain. January's price increases reflected an ongoing shift to services over goods as the economy normalizes from the COVID pandemic disruptions. Services prices increased 0.6% on the month, while goods fell 0.2%. On a 12-month basis, services rose 3.9% and goods were down 0.5%. Within those categories, food prices accelerated 0.5%, offset by a 1.4% slide in energy. On a year-over-year basis, food was up 1.4%, while energy fell 4.9%. Thursday's BEA report also showed that consumers are continuing to dip into savings as prices stay elevated. The personal savings rate was 3.8% on the month, slightly higher than December, but off a full percentage point from where it was as recently as June 2023.